Hey guys, this is the Anything Cook.
And today he will be cooking.
Let's have some fun. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we'll be cooking an ostrich steak. Stay tuned for the ingredients. Here's the ingredients. You've got your ostrich steaks. These are medallions, but they're perfect for what we're trying to do. Got your butter, pepper, salt, and garlic. Alright guys, the first step is to do your rub for your meat. So you just sprinkle your pepper over the meat. It's up to you, the amount of pepper to use is according to your taste. I like my meat peppery, so I use a lot. Salt, also to taste, just to season that meat. And then you just mix it in. Make sure spices coat the meat evenly. You can mix with your hands, don't be shy. That looks nice. Okay guys, now we're ready to fry the meat. Guys, and the next step is to prepare your fry. So you heat the stove up, medium heat, add your butter, 1 heaped tablespoon butter to a hot pan. Add the garlic, 1 heaped teaspoon. Coat the pan with the butter. Make sure it's nice and evenly coated. Stir it up. Careful not to burn the garlic. That's why I just have it on, leave it on medium heat. So you fry the garlic in the butter for about 30 seconds. Then it's time to add your meat. You can gently place your meat in the pan. Ostrich is a tough meat, it's gamey, should be cooked to a medium rare if possible. So 2 minutes per side, 2.5 minutes per side should be enough. Longer than that, the meat is going to be tough and hard to eat. Smells lovely. Okay, time to turn the meat. Guys, if you like this video, please click that thumbs up button and drop us a comment on what we should try next. Make sure, guys, the ostrich does not get stuck to the bottom. Guys, from the pan, put the steaks into a plate to rest. 6 to 8 minutes of resting time should be fine. There we go. Now we wait. Hey guys, the meat has rested for about 6 minutes. Just slice it open and see. It's perfect. It's more of a medium, but that's perfectly fine. I enjoy my meat medium. If you want it medium rare, take it off soon. Soft, delicious.